In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use the Paint.net tool to isolate parts of an image using the Magic Wand feature. We'll keep things simple and straightforward, so whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or a beginner just getting started, you can follow along with ease. First things first, let's get you started by opening up Paint.net on your computer. This is a quite handy and free software that you can conveniently download online. Once you have it open, you should see a clean workspace in front of you. This is where the magic begins, quite literally, as we're going to dive into the Magic Wand tool shortly. Now that you have Paint.net open and ready, locate the Magic Wand tool on your toolbar. It usually looks like a small wand with sparks. This tool is incredibly useful for selecting areas of your image that you'd like to isolate or modify. Think of it as a way of telling the program, hey, this is the part I want to work on. This can be particularly helpful if you're working on detailed projects where precision is key. All right, with your Magic Wand tool selected, hover over the part of the image you wish to keep. It might take a minute to get used to the feel of it, but with a couple of clicks, you'll start to understand how it selects based on the pixel colors you're pointing at. Remember, the goal is to highlight the area you're interested in. Once it's selected, you'll see that those sections become surrounded by a dashed outline. Next, it's time to perform some digital magic. With your desired section selected by the Magic Wand, press the Delete key on your keyboard. This will remove everything else in the image, leaving you with just the part selected by the wand. It's like peeling away unnecessary parts of a picture to reveal your masterpiece underneath. This feature is especially helpful when you're trying to remove backgrounds from images or when isolating specific elements for more focused work. And there you have it. How to isolate and work with specific parts of an image using Paint.net's Magic Wand tool. It could take a bit of practice to perfect, but don't worry, every click is a learning opportunity. Try experimenting with different thresholds of the Magic Wand tool found in your toolbar to achieve different levels of selection sensitivity. This might help in perfecting your work, especially if some colors are quite close. Once you've successfully isolated your desired section and deleted the rest, you're done. You can save your work, export it, and use it for any creative project you have. With tools like Paint.net and features like the Magic Wand, you're well equipped to make stunning visual pieces. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy editing!